Good morning, business students. Welcome. Glad you have chosen me. I appreciate that. I will try to keep all of my assignments focused and no busy work. I just can't see doing busy work. A little bit about me. You'll read in the introduction post. I'm doing this video because it kind of gives you more of a feeling of being in the class. Also, I wanted to show you some things that are going to be important in our, that you know. Okay. So if you go here to the home, you'll see the greetings, welcome. Each one of these, if you click here, it will take you to the start. Each one of these is to the weeks in the sport. I haven't completed all of them, but I wanted to get this out to you so you could kind of start getting just a little bit ahead. Okay, I know it's not required, but thought I'd do it for you. All right, I'm going to show it in student view. I'm going to be flipping back and forth, but I'm going to show it in student view. So this is what you will see. You won't see this research project announcement until later in the semester. This is my first announcement to you. Okay, so if you go to syllabus here, it will show you. This is the syllabus. All right. And read through it, know the policy. This is what I need you, well, I'll fix that before I send it out, but I need you to return the last part of this. Okay, and here's another thing. I received that there might be some shenanigans going on. So when you send me the syllabus, would you send me a copy of your student ID, please? Just your student ID. Okay, just take a picture of it with your camera, whatever you have, and send that picture right along with the syllabus. All right. Discussions. We will have weekly discussions. Here is where you will ask questions like, how do I get to, takes a while. Okay, I'll have to fix that link. All right, ask general questions. Don't ask questions about your grade. Don't put any personal information in here. Questions about when are things due, that comes with your syllabus right here, which I forgot to point out. Right here is your online schedule. This tells you on a weekly basis what you have to do. Okay? So this will tell you when your midterm is. Plan for these, because we don't, I don't give makeup exams. And notice here in these in week 15, or excuse me, that's why you can see I put my glasses on. Week 13 and week 14, I've doubled it up because I want you to have a good Thanksgiving. I don't want you to worry about doing an assignment, doing a quiz, anything. Last year sucked. Let's be honest, it sucked. Most of us didn't get to be with our families, and this year you might be traveling. Okay, enjoy. Be safe while traveling. I believe in vaccinations, but I'm not pushing that on anybody. You'll read in my intro, my husband has had cancer several times, so we just protect our health and his health. However, you do have a project that will be due that Saturday. So if you have layovers, do a little bit of research, okay? So this schedule could change. All right. There we go. Sorry, we're a little slow here. All right, and this is strictly online. There is no Zoom with this class. And discussions, you'll have your weekly discussions. This week is week 1, and you can see it's locked till tomorrow. I may change that and open that up to today. All right. Modules. Now I'm going to go back to modules in the instructor view because they're all locked. Okay. All right. Modules. All right. Right here, and let's hope it will work. If not, we'll have to maybe I'll have to unlock it for demonstration purposes. Okay, see where it says right here? See how this is all grayed out and marked done? What you have to do is read each one of these. Come on, computer is just not cooperating. All right. Okay, and after you read all this, down here, you'll see mark as done. When you do that, then you can click next. Then it will say how to ask questions and, right? Mark as done. Click next. All of these. You have to read them and click mark as done. Here's the guidelines to posting in a discussion board. I want thorough, thought out, critical thinking. Do it in Word. Put it in Word. Then create folders. And week 1 discussion board, week 2 discussion board, week 3 discussion board. Because I really want to have, this would be like in class. And we're engaging in a discussion. Okay? All right? So that's what I want. All right. So you have to go through and mark each one of those done, each one of these done, before you can move on to week 1. All right. Then we will go. This is my reminder to get you to register with Connect. Okay. Register. This is a third-party app. You must use Connect. There is no way around about it. So you will go here to McGraw-Hill. All right. It's not going to let me do it because I'm not a student. All right. But right here in yours, it will show, and go to Connect, and then you will register. All right, it will tell you how to do it, student view. And you can see from the student view, rent a book. Now, here's the thing. You can get a print version of it or a loose leaf. I have the ebook and I get along with it just fine. This will tell you what's due. Week 1, you'll want to get to know and see it's locked. It won't unlock until tomorrow. But get to know Connect. You have a 2-week grace period. So if you're waiting for financial aid, take care of it now, because that's no excuse. Business does not wait for people that, for things to run on your time. You have to be ready in a business environment. Okay? But in Get to Know Connect, it will show you. Here's a preview of the questions or videos, actually. You'll watch these videos and it will show you how to navigate in Connect. And then you click the button, I have completed. All right? So it's really simple. Grades, I can't show you right now because let me see if I can get to a student view. Or wait a minute. Assignments. All the assignments will be listed here. If you see one that looks like it's doubled up or something, please email me. I don't care. Computer seems to be slow. Maybe it hasn't had its coffee. Okay, so they're all listed here. All right, so you can see what we're doing. All right. grades. All right, it will show you your grades. Like mine is test student so far. Haven't received any grades. All right. But if you ever want to see, well, I missed a paper, so what will happen to my grade? You can put in something here and it will show you what you've done. If I, want to know if I only get like 10 out of 20 on this paper. So this is just kind of a what if. It shows you the weight in our class. Hey, so you can get quizzes are 15, your homework is 30, your exams are 20, the research paper. Let's say you want to blow off the research paper. That's your choice. Anything in here is your choice. You all start out on the same playing field, but you choose. Say you don't want to do chapter 2 homework. Okay, so that gives you a 0 right here. And you can see what that does to your grade. All right, it will just, and you can print these out all the time. Let's say you don't want to do this discussion board either. So you can see how it just determines your grade. Now I've chosen not to do 2 discussion chapter homework, and I've chosen not to do a discussion. So I went from a B to an F. Your choice. What you choose to not do in the class is your choice. It's all available to you. It's available to you from Sunday morning at 12 a.m. Monday morning until the following Sunday at 11:59. If you wait till 11:45 to do your homework or 11:55, that's on you. That's not on me because it's available to you all week. You know your personal schedules. I don't. All right. I've made Office 365 available to you. So if you do not have Word, you can go in and log in. Not that you will need it for this class, because as of right now, we're not doing any writing assignments, but you can have it on your computer. Everything is done on the cloud now. So you're not going to be able to download it to your computer. But I think you get 3, right? So that's basically it. And as always, I wanted to show you one other thing. I don't have it available here in the student, but you can email me or I will make available to you pronto. I don't know if you can see it over here. This pronto, I went through a training. This is great. I love this, right? Someone decided to do his own, but let's say we're in this business. So we click on this class here, and you can text message me. It's like using a text message. You can attach files to it. All right, whatever you want. You can do, emojis if you like. We all like emojis. Right? I love my emojis. You'll see that as you go through the class. All right. So if you're somewhere, the only thing I can't, and conferences. If you want to set up a conference with me, I like this better than Zoom because this gives you more privacy than Zoom does. See, we can connect and we can, here we can, where are we? We can, where's our semester? Anyway, I can video with you if I want, and I can start meetings with you. So we can have our privacy. It's better than, I like this a little bit better than doing the Zoom, because the Zoom records and it gives us the option of having your privacy. All right, so let's use Pronto if you want to. I have the app downloaded on my phone, so I can message you. The only thing I have trouble accessing from my phone is grades. Okay, and there'll be weekends. I do a lot with my family on the weekends, and it's football season. So usually on Sundays, I'm football neurotic, so chances are you probably won't get a